How to fix something went wrong. Please try again later. Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later error when trying to log into your Roblox account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the issue is usually caused by the internet problem or temporary Roblox server glitches. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the solution step by step. So here, first thing first, open any web browser, and here once you have opened it, simply go to the roblox.com. And here once you search for it, you'll be prompted to the Roblox browser. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on continue in browser. And after that, you need to enter your login details about your Roblox account. So here, simply enter your account and passkey, and once you're done with that, and now here, once you are logged in your Roblox account in the website, simply scroll through scroll through the games and simply choose the game that you want to play. For this video, I'll be selecting this game. And once you tap on it, this will automatically launch the Roblox mobile app. And if prompted, log into your Roblox app again, and once you're in, the errors should no longer appear. And that's it. That's how you can fix something went wrong. Please try again later error on Roblox app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.